Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Sharmin Azaleda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about applying custom animation to slides. In this lesson, you should be able to define what animation is, enumerate different kinds of animation, and state ways on using animation on slides. Animation is a great way to focus on important points, to control the flow of information, and to increase viewer interest in your presentation. You can apply animation effects to text or objects on individual slides, to text and objects on the slide master, or to place folders on custom slide. There are four different kinds of animation effects in PowerPoint 2010 or in other version of PowerPoint presentation. The first animation effect is called entrance effect. For you to be able to apply this animation, first you should select an object or a text first on your slide before applying these effects on your presentation. For example, we're going to apply an effect here on this picture. Select the specific picture first that you want to apply the animation effect. The first effect that we're going to apply on this picture is the entrance effects. For example, you can make an object fade gradually into focus, fly into slide from one edge to another, or bounce into view. Okay, let's select the picture. After selecting the picture, as you can see here, these are the animations option. You're just going to select the drop down arrow here. After selecting the drop down arrow, as you can see, these are the different options of entrance animation effect that you can apply on the picture. For example, you want to apply the bounce effect. Select bounce, and if you want to check the application of that entrance effect animation on the picture, you're just going to select the preview button. Select the preview button, and as you can see here, this is the entrance effect of the bounce option on the picture. But if you want to change the effect or the entrance effect of the picture, you're just going to select more entrance effects for you to be able to choose more effects that you want to apply on the picture. For example, we're going to choose swivel. Okay, select swivel. After selecting swivel, you're going to select OK for you to be able to apply the certain effect or entrance effect. After selecting OK, let's have a preview of the entrance effect animation on the picture. Just select the preview button, and as you can see here, this is the entrance effect of the swivel animation on the picture. Now, the second option or the second type of animation is called exit effect. Okay? Exit effects. These effects includes making an object fly off of the slide, disappear from the view, or spiral off the slide. Okay, the exit effects is the effect on how the picture or the text or the object will exit your slide. Okay, now as you can see here, these are the different options for you to apply as an animation on the picture. For example, we're going to use the animation effect float out. Just select the animation effects that you want. After selecting it, let's select again the preview button. After selecting the preview, as you can see, that is the effect of the fly out exit animation on the picture. The third option or the third type of animation is called emphasis effects. Examples of these effects includes making an object shrink or grow in size change color or spin on its center. Okay? For example, we're going to apply a teeter emphasis effect. Let's just select the animation. After selecting the animation, we're going to select the preview button. So we can see the application of the teeter effect on the picture. Okay, these are the three types of animation in the tab that you can use on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. The last type is called motion paths. Okay, let's select the picture again and let's select the drop down arrow here on the animation tab. After selecting, let's just scroll down and we can now see the last effect, which is the motion paths. Motion paths, you can use these effects to make an object move up or down, left or right, or in a star or circular pattern among other effects. Okay? For example, we're going to change the direction of the effects of the picture or the effect of the picture. Let's select one specific motion path here. For example, we're going to select the turns motion path effect. As you can see here, this is the turn motion path effect. Okay, now all you need to do is you can even change the motion of the effect. All you need to do is to select the specific effect that you have applied on the slide. After that, select the right button of your mouse. After selecting the right button of your mouse, you can now change the motion of the animation by selecting Edit Points. After selecting Edit Points, as you can see here, the animation is highlighted on our screen. All you need to do is to drag the certain point on whichever or whatever direction you want it to follow. Okay, for example, we're going to drag it up and we're going to change the direction into a rounded one or the reverse one. Okay, as you can see, when we drag the different points of the effects, it follows our direction. We can have a preview here, or we can preview the effect of the motion path animation on our slide by selecting the preview button. Let's select the preview button so we can view it. As you can see it here, this is the motion of the or this is the effect of the motion path animation and the picture. This is how you are going to apply the different types of animation on your slides or in your text objects or pictures in your slide using PowerPoint presentation. If you have any questions regarding our topic for today, don't hesitate to message me in our LMS. Once again, this is teacher Sharmina Zaleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.